Hi, everybody. Eugene Turk with Align and the Focal Point Focus software with a quick video to introduce and show you our new numbered cadence functionality that will allow you to measure and track your metrics, your KRAs, your KPIs on a weekly basis. So here we are looking at our uh, Focal Point Focus Coach account or My Coach account. And the very first thing that we need to do is we need to create a new component on our dashboard. So I'm looking at my dashboard. I'm going to click the Edit button, and I'm going to select a new component called KPIs. And I can even click on the title of the component and change that to Weekly KPIs. And I can click and drag it so that it displays more towards the top of my dashboard. So now we can see we have this new component here on my dashboard, and I can click Add KPIs. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to add a metric. One of the, I understand, 10 different KRAs or metrics that you measure as part of Strong Start. The first is introductory conversations. What we want to do is we want to make sure that we set the cadence from period to weekly. It's my understanding that Strong Start meets on Wednesdays, so we want to reset this every Wednesday, weekly, and reset it back to a value of 0. And click Save. And I can then create a second metric, just as another example, for champion conversations. I understand that's another one of the metrics. Again, setting the period to weekly, resetting on Wednesdays with a reset value of 0. Click Save. And now I can click Save, and you will see these components, these KPIs or KRAs now on my dashboard. The next thing we need to do is we need to click on the 3 dots and click Edit the actual KPI card to now create a target for each of these. So it's by default set to none. We can either do custom, where you can determine what will be the red, yellow, and green values for this particular metric, or the easiest thing to do is just do time-based. And so over the course of the week, we're going to start at 0. Let's imagine that my goal for introductory conversations is 15, and I can click Save. I can then again click the 3 dots for the champions conversations, edit it, time-based, and let's say my target is now 10. I can click Save. So now I have 2 different weekly cadenced KRAs or KPIs that I'm measuring and tracking. To update these, I can simply click on the number and update it. So if I moved from 0 to 2, or this week I completed 13 introductory conversations, I can certainly document that. Again, every single Wednesday morning, it will reset to 0. And then to be able to see sort of the historical display, I can either click on the 3 dots and see View Historical Graph, or I can even just click on the gauge itself. And what this will start to do is show you a visual display of your week over week performance, color-coded red, yellow, and green. It's very easily identifying which weeks I was successful in hitting my target and which weeks I was not. If you happen to forget to make an update, or you need to go back, you inadvertently omitted an update, you can always use the Add Past Update button. And this will create this week over week display that can be really, really powerful visually for you to track your Strong Start metrics. So we encourage you to use this. Please let us know if you have any feedback about this new feature. Don't hesitate to contact me directly or anyone at Align if you need some support. Thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy this new feature.